Plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/Perspective Plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone and welcome to Perspective Plans. In today's video we're going to be doing my weekly expenses in the month of August. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so of course we're in August. If you missed this video, I'll be sure to link it up above in the cards or whatever. But this was my monthly video for August. It came out really well. But yeah, check out that video just in case you missed it. And now let's go into our expense logs. And of course, you can use our code PLAN20 for 20% off our planner bundles, our digital planner bundles at perspectiveplans.com. And you can grab this planner in print form at Amazon. And thank you in advance for supporting a small business and of course, watching this amazing video. So now without further ado, let's jump on into our expense log, shall we? Waste neither time nor money, but make the best use of both. Benjamin Franklin. I got a bit tongue-tied there for a second, but at least the quote is amazing. So let me grab a colorful pen. I really like how I did that last video, because I think we're going to keep it up. So we went to Target, because I just really need some more pens, and I want to take advantage of the back-to-school prices. And of course, you know, at Target I had to get some Starbucks, and that was about $6.12. And I think, according to my receipt, which was a bit higher than I anticipated, I spent $42.37. But, you know, it's better than paying full price if I missed the back-to-school sales. But it definitely seemed a bit higher than I anticipated, but it's okay. It's the cost of being an adult, unfortunately. And of course the Starbucks was a need because I was thirsty looking at all the really cute school supplies. And I think we're ready to do a buffer sticker because I want to say that's all I did for the 11th. So let me grab a buffer sticker really quick. Not finishing the word Starbucks. There we go. Do I have any buffer stickers? Oh dear. We might have to. Wait a minute. Where are my buffer stickers? Oh dear. Well then. How interesting. Oh my goodness. I don't see any. Let me grab my budget sticker books then. There's gotta be somewhere, man. Because I've really been liking that when I do my weekly expenses, adding that sticker. It just adds a bit of a color and prettiness to the sticker page. Well, not the sticker page, the weekly expenses. Alright, so we had some. Let's grab some of these gold stickers as well. This one here says goal, no debt. And then these other one says save more. Great goals to have. Hopefully we can find some buffer stickers like we used in the past. Gone, gone. They all can't be gone, man. I refuse to believe it. Alright, stickers gone. Gone, gone, gone. Gone. No. Wherever could they be? Okay. Oh dear. Do I need to? Oh my gosh. You guys, there's one. But I refuse to believe that I only have one buffer sticker left, man. I'm gonna have to find some somewhere else. This is a sign that I'm actually using my stickers if I can't find anything I need. Okay, there's two more. So now we can get back to writing our budget for our weekly expenses. Let's do this navy. So after that, then we just had, I skipped the 12, didn't spend anything there, but I did spend money at Brain. Yeah. I spent money on a light bill with Entergy, and that's definitely a need because I don't like to be in the dark. Okay, so a need light bill. And I believe our light bill was pretty decent. It was like $120 and 13 cents. And then we had our Wi-Fi through Cox, which is another bill. And that's a need because I need Wi-Fi. Absolutely. Let me see if I have any of those Wi-Fi icons that I can add as well. And then I can even add this cute little basket for Starbucks. And then we have Wi-Fi. And then our light bill, our light icon. That's cute. Okay, how much was Wi-Fi? Oh, it's $80 straight. Well, technically $79.99, but I'm just gonna say $80. Grabbing a buffer sticker because I believe that's all I spent on the 13th. And hopefully we can put this buffer sticker down without ripping it. That'll be great. That'll be so handy. Okay, then I'm gonna grab a green pen because why the heck not? Then I went to the water park on the 14th. As summer is slowly coming to an end. I'm going to miss it, but the heat definitely was starting to exhaust me. I'll miss you, summer, but global warming is not fun. $12.80 to get into the water park, and well, it was just fun, summer fun. And I believe that was all I did on the 14th. Let me double check. Yeah. So let's grab another buffer. There we go. And then on the 16th, which I believe was the last thing I did for this week, was just pay my credit card bill at Chase. And that was a bit, I think I spent, it was only $100 because I don't have much on the card because I haven't really been using it, but credit card bill. Because I have been doing really well with my spending. So shout out to me being an adult, you know, not to brag. And I think, oh no, is that my last buffer sticker, man? Oh darn. Hopefully we can find another one and then we can add up our total. Oh, where are the buffer stickers, man? Okay, maybe there's some in here. I can't believe I might have used all of them. I don't want to believe it. Let's double flip. All right. I feel like I'm about to flip through all my sticker books. My goodness. Dang it. If not, I will use that. Come on, stickers, don't be shy. Come out wherever you are. There we are. We have some. Hallelujah. But I am proud of myself for using my stickers because I can barely find the ones I need, which is a good sign that the stickers are being used. All right, so let's add up our total, shall we? Oh, let me grab a box. I just have so many stickers books. So I'm gonna pull up my calculator on my iPad. All right, so $42.37 plus $6.12 plus $120.13 plus 80 plus $12.80 plus 100. Oh, this might be my lowest weekly expenses video. Oh my goodness. Let me give myself a pat on the back, man. The progress is progressing, okay? I honestly don't think I've ever had this low of expenses. I'm so excited. So of course we're gonna use either maybe crushing it. Why the heck not? Hopefully it'll fit. Come on, sticker, don't be shy. Of course I put it on crooked. It's just the way I do things, man. It's just the way I do it. But the total isn't crooked. The total is cute. Total is $361.42. Oh my Lord. The progress. We've come a long way, you guys. I'm so excited. Now, we don't know what's gonna happen next month, but let's just rejoice for now. Okay, let's just be happy. Sometimes you gotta accept the wins. And I think that's where I'm at right now. I'm going to accept the win because this is definitely a win for me. If you watch some of my older weekly expense videos, you'll see the damage, but this is beautiful. I can live with this. Okay, and then we're gonna add the flip-flops, a sand cancel, if I can grab it. And maybe a seashell? Yeah. You guys, I'm so excited. It's been a long time coming. Okay, but thank you so much for planning with me today, and remember to keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the very, very next one. Hopefully we'll have another great total just like this, but I'm grateful, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great one. Bye. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.